One of the most masculine roses I've ever put my nose on. This stuff is gorgeous. It's got this creamy blonde wood aspect to it with this radiant rose raspberry combination, a little touch of spices. We're talking about Adonis Awakens from Argos. Christian nailed it with this fragrance. This is probably my second favorite behind Triumph of Bacchus, which DANAÄ was. And you can smell DANAÄ in here. The woods from DANAÄ is in Adonis Awakens. But go figure. My favorites from two of my favorite houses are the rose fragrances in the house, the men's rose fragrances. This, it's just so well composed and slightly unique because it's warm and spicy, but it's got a dryness to it that kind of provides this unique character, because typically with a drier rose, it's going to be dusty and powdery. That's not the case here. The case here is the dryness is from the dose of woods, I believe. The raspberry note that's here provides just enough to stop it from being too dry, because it's a juicy fruit type of fragrance oil. And it's not too sweet. It doesn't add anything feminine. Rose Absolute used here that you get from start to finish. For being so rose dominant, there's nothing about this that leans feminine to me. This is the most masculine rose fragrance I personally have ever smelled that's not just loaded down with a ton of spices or something along those lines. This is one that's worth getting yourself a sample and trying. It's Adonis Awakens from Argos.